Hello there, Modular is here doing another review. I am taking an in-depth review on the LGT106 Lightsaber. This is their Crossguard, and out of the 3 Crossguards they have in their budget series, this is the largest. This measures in at 15 and 3/8 inches total. The grip section is 9 inches and 5/8. The upper emitter is 3 and 7/8 inches. The side emitters are 2 and 3/4 each. The cross section right here, this measures in at 1 and 7/8. The blade depth is almost 2 inches, so you have a nice good blade depth in the front. And for the side, you have 1.5 inch depth for the blade plugs. This saber comes with 5 sound fonts plus 1 mute mode, and it also has 7 light profiles. As you can see, this lightsaber is quite loud. This lightsaber uses the older generation of boards where they have vibrations which tell you the different modes that you're activating with the single switch, rather than the flash system, which is in the newer lightsabers. I will turn this to mute to show you the light profiles. Okay, so this light profile is the unstable, where it slightly flickers. This is the solid, this is the brightest. This is one less. This is one less. There are 3 in total of brightness. It, in my opinion, does not really make an effect. This is the breathing mode. This is the heartbeat. This is strobe. And we are back at unstable, which I prefer because this is what looks like Kylo's the most. Now, a friend by the name of Poramin Pinramore, I hope I haven't butchered that name up, has asked me if these parts are removable, and I will say yes and no. I will demonstrate what I mean by that, and I will disassemble this. Here is this lightsaber, partially disassembled. I'm not going to remove the connections right now, but basically this is it unassembled. LGT has this core lightsaber, and then they have these additions onto that. All their threads and emitters and pommels and all that stuff are interchangeable. So technically, theoretically, I can take this emitter, and if I were to do a little rewiring over here, I could use this thread with this emitter to make a single lightsaber. I can also change these out together. They are interchangeable. I can use a small emitter in the top and the big emitter in the side if I'm going for a weird combination. The pommel is also interchangeable. This is the smaller pommel, and this is the larger one. This one houses the speaker. This one directly does not attach to the lightsaber main body. It has to go through this buffer pommel. Now, this, when I originally got this, there was also this sleeve on it. This sleeve. This was held in by 4 set screws and 1 main screw right here, this hole. I've taken this off because this was slightly large for the grip, and I prefer a more slimmer grip. This has no effect on the actual lightsaber, and removing this will not change anything. Now, LGT does not currently sell their parts individually, but if they were to do so, that would be a great step for them, and that would really help with customizations and different combinations. The side blades that are included are nice, and they come with this plastic wrap. I have not taken mine off because I like them with that unstable feel to it. I am going to reassemble the saber now. Here's the lightsaber, fully reassembled. All disassembly can be done by hand, no external tools are required. The set screws are removable with this Allen key, which is provided. Also included in the package when you buy this is its main blade and an instruction manual and a USB charging cable rated at 5 volts, where you can use that with your computer, with your phone chargers, or any other USB derived charger. This pin is a 2.1 millimeter recharge port. Overall, this is a great saber, especially for my use. I am mainly a cosplayer. I don't do heavy dueling, although with this saber you can. I prefer the slim grip because it's easier to hold, but this grip itself, the sleeve on top, does not really cause that much of an issue. As for the emitters, I would like in the future to buy parts so I can customize these emitters. This emitter I feel is slightly too long, so I would want a slightly shorter emitter. I don't want to modify this one because this is the only one I have right now. Thank you very much. I hope you've liked this review, and if you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.